In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify password. Keeping your Shopify account secure is really important, especially if you manage customer data, orders, and payment information. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the exact process of updating your password from inside your Shopify admin, and I'll also share a few quick tips to help you choose a strong, secure password. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. This is the main backend area where you see your store's orders, products, and settings. Once you're on that dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select the option that takes you to your account page. When you click it, Shopify will open a new page or tab dedicated to your account settings. On this new account page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several sections there. Find and click on the section labeled Security. This is where Shopify keeps all of your login and security related settings in one place, so you can manage things like passwords and authentication. Once you're on the security page, scroll if needed until you see the area labeled Password. In that section, you'll find an option on the right side that says Change Your Password. Click that link or button. This will open a pop-up window where you can actually update your login details. In the pop-up, you'll be asked to enter your current password first. This is just Shopify's way of confirming that it's really you making the change. Below that, enter your new password, and then type it again in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. When choosing your new password, try to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple words, your store name, or anything that can be guessed easily. A password manager can be helpful for generating and storing strong, unique passwords, so you don't have to remember them all. Once you've entered your current password, your new password, and confirmed it, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Change Password button. Shopify will process the update, and your password will be changed immediately. The next time you log in, make sure to use your new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify password and added an extra layer of protection to your store.